So for this question, where we want to write a visual representation of a base 5 number into numerical digits, we want to first see basically what we're doing. So if we're going to look at, say, for example, before we start that, if we want to use our normal base 10 system, where these are 100s, those are 10s, and those are 1s. How would we write this into a numerical system? So basically this would mean we have 200s plus 20, 2 10s, plus 2 1s, or 222. So if we look at that, since there are 2 1s, 2 1s get put there, there are 2 10s, 2 10s are there, and there are 2 100s, which get put there. So now if we want to convert the top of the screen, the question itself, write the blocks in base 5, what do you think we'll do? Well, we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 400s, 3 10s, and 4 1s. So therefore, if we were to write this as if we were to have our 200s, 2 2s, and 2 1s, writing this number in base 5 would equal our solutions down here. Our solution would be 434 in base 5.